I close my eyes and he has found me.